Okay, the next step of the process is actually to buy the raw materials we need for the production. So this is step 5, and we click on the raw materials purchasing button. This takes us through to a new screen, ready to actually import the purchase order. Now we need to buy the ingredients which we require to make this new fish cake, and let's remind ourselves where they are by clicking on the ingredients button. The first thing we need to buy is our 5 kilos of potato. So it's ingredient 3, £5 a kilo, and it's from supplier C. So suppliers, drop down menu, there's supplier C. Obviously you need to amend these as you need to. Fred Smith, and the order date is today's date, control colon. Let's say the date required again is today's date, control colon, to factory. Details can go in there. Any notes you can type in there. Product is going to be potatoes. Quantity, let's have 5 kilos of that, and it is £5 a kilo. Let's just remind ourselves that's correct. Potato, yep, £5 a kilo. And there is the production, sorry, the purchasing ready to go. Now let's click on print, and there it is, all set up. When you put your details in down here, there's a note there to say if it's incorrect they must notify you straight away, and that's ready to be emailed through to that supplier. Okay, let's do that, and we will now just work on that is actually being received. So let's supposing that's now coming into stock. Receipt new, it's on today's date, and it's potatoes 3 and 5 kilos coming in. Close, and let's see what that has done to our stocks on hand. So our potatoes are here. We've now got 5 kilos coming into stock. You require 5 kilos for this particular job, 444 as we know, and we will then know our closing balance will be 0 because you've used all the stock that's just come in. We call that available because that means you have some stock available, not in this case obviously, to do further production. We know where we want to put it. Again, you can change these location details, and in terms of you can click on that for details of the transactions. So that's purchasing stock, very straightforward.